Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I've been using Corel Draw for a long time, and I've played with the 3-point ellipse tool, but I never really understood the advantage to it. And it's right underneath here. It's a 3-point. You draw a line and then you let go and you make an ellipse. I thought, that's not a big deal because you could do that with a regular ellipse and then turn it and skew it. And a couple of weeks ago, I finally figured out the advantage to it, and we're going to just do it. So if you draw a square and you put P and put it in the center of the page, and let's make it 15 inches both ways, and you wanted an ellipse to fit in there, you would just take an ellipse, normal ellipse, hit it, make it 15 inches, and then hit P, and you've got an ellipse the size of that item. But if you had a 2-point line and you just happen to move it over to here, you don't know the distance of that. But if you use the 3-point ellipse tool and click on that right there and then hold down the left mouse button and click over there and then start moving it. And if you hold down the control button, it'll be a perfect ellipse and it's that size. So if we look, you know what, let's do that again and let's kind of like nudge those lines so we can kind of prove it. Let's take this line and let's set our nudge factor on 10 inches. And then I'm going to make a duplicate of that and move it over 10 inches. Well, there's 10 inches. I could put in a 10-inch ellipse, but I don't know that. I don't, particularly know that that's a 10-inch ellipse. So we'll take and go about the center and just kind of hold down the left mouse button and then hold down the control button. And it'll actually put it in between those lines. And if we look now, we have a 10-inch ellipse that fits through there. So that's pretty cool and really handy, if you were doing something and you don't have a box to center it, this way it doesn't have to be in the center of the page and you can just do it. You don't really even have to hold down. Yeah, you do. Hold down the left mouse button and then you could make it an oval. It's still going to be 10 inches. But if you hold down the control button, well, I messed that up. If you move that and then hold down the control button, it'll be a perfect ellipse. Just like, when you're holding down the control button for a normal ellipse, if you hold down the control button and you get an even circle. If you don't, you get whatever oval shape you want. Anyway, I hope that gave you a few pointers and thank you for watching.